Now we proceed to pair number 5. See, oh, it was all so wonderful. This was the observation made by Wali when she was traveling by bus, or when she was looking outside of the window, or when she was looking outside. The scenery was very beautiful, attractive, wonderful. That's why she said it was all so wonderful. Suddenly, she was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice this time. She was startled by a voice. Listen, child, said the voice. You should not stand like that. Sit down. Okay. The reason is clear why she was standing, because she wanted to look outside. There was someone who instructed her to sit down. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. When it was given, sit down, when the instruction was given, sit down, she took her seat and looked out towards everyone. Who had spoken? It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her. There was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her. He was taking care of this small child, 8 years old child, that is Wali. But she was annoyed by his attention. When elderly man looked towards her, bus was moving. At that time she was standing. She was looking outside. At this moment, the elderly man said, "Take your seat." After that, Wali looked towards everyone and she saw this man. Now she became angry. She was annoyed by his attention. His attention, you understand? Elderly man's attention. There is nobody here who is a child, she said haughtily. Wali said. Who said that Wali is a child? Wali is not a child. Meaning is this: the moment when elderly man said that child, take your seat, at this Wali became angry. She was annoyed. She was angry. There is nobody here who is a child, she said haughtily. She said, there is nobody who is a child here. I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else. She said, you have also paid 30 paise. I have also paid 30 paise. Then how can you say that Wali is a child? Wali is not a child. Don't say. I have paid my 30 paise like everyone else. The conductor chimed in. Oh, sir, but this is a very grown-up madam. Okay, yes, sir, refers to elderly man. He said, oh, sir, she is a very grown-up madam. Do you think a mere girl could pay her own fare, travel to the city all alone? So conductor is, as I told you, the conductor was of jolly man. He was a jolly man. Every time he is making fun. He is fond of joking. So here he is also doing the same thing. He is saying, oh sir, don't think that she is a small girl. The girl like her had paid the fare. Okay, don't say that she is a small girl. She had paid her own fare and traveled to the city all alone. So how can you say that Wali is a small girl? Wali shot an angry glance at the conductor. Wali looked towards conductor because he understood the way of speaking. The conductor, she looked towards conductor and said, I am not a madam. Don't call me madam. Please remember that. Don't call me madam. And you have not yet given me my ticket. She said, you have taken my paise. I have given you 30 paise, but you have not given me ticket, and you call me madam. She became angry. I will remember, the conductor said, making her tone. Conductor was copying her. Okay, copying her tone, and said, I have remembered. I will give you. Everyone laughed, and gradually Wali too joined in the laughter. She also laughed. The conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? She answered, because I want to. What, standing up again? Conductor told her, why are you standing? You have given money, you have paid for the seat, then you sit on the seat. Why don't you sit? Why don't you not sit on the seat? She said, because I want to. What? Because I want to stand up. So in para number 5, you have seen the nature of Wali. What kind of girl is Wali? Understand? She is haughty. She became angry also at the behavior conductor. Okay, also all these things we have noticed. So this paragraph clearly indicates the nature of Wali. And why did Wali become angry? Wali became angry at the behavior of conductor first. Secondly, she also became angry at the elderly man who gave her instruction to take her seat. Every time conductor used to call her madam, Wali didn't like it. So she said, don't call me madam. She also made conductor realize that he had not given her ticket, although conductor had taken the money. At this point, conductor punched the ticket and handed it to her. Again, he gave instruction, please take your seat. You have given a fare for the seat. Then why are you standing? At this moment, Wali said, because I want to stand. Okay. So this we have seen in the point number 5.